A process is a series of actions taken in order to achieve a particular goal repeatedly. Or in plain English, it's a structured way to get a task done from start to finish. Just imagine you go on a road trip. One outcome you want to achieve is to keep your car running throughout the entire trip, so you actually get to go where you want to go. The car needs gas for that. So a series of actions taken to achieve this outcome, or a process, can be to fill the car with gas. And for that you need to monitor the fuel gauge while driving, then stop at the gas station when the tank goes to a quarter, pay for gas, fill the car with gas, and then continue driving. These steps need to happen in a particular order, otherwise the outcome isn't guaranteed. And they're repeatable many times over in the same way. In business, a classic example for a process is a sales call. For instance, I added a Calendly link for a free consulting call in the video description below. If you're interested in working with me, you click the link, book a call, and then you get an invite by email, and we'll have the call eventually. The steps need to happen in that order. We can't just have the call first and then you book a time for it later. It doesn't work that way. Meaning a process also describes to some degree how work flows from a starting point to the end result. And only when processes are clear, tasks can be repeated consistently and improved over time, which in turn helps a business operate smoothly by making work predictable. My name is Tobias Hens. I help solopreneurs and small business owners go from idea to profit fast with business insights just like this one. For more information on processes and other components of business operations, like systems or SOPs, watch these videos next.